Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to see photos and videos that you are tagged on your Instagram. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can see the photos and videos that you are tagged in, but you don't know how. So today I am going to teach you on how you can see photos and videos that you are tagged in on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram application, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. Tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And then in here, you'll see here your profile. And then when you scroll down, you'll see here is the grid, which means that is the photos that you posted. Tap on this icon and you will see here the photos and videos that you are tagged in. But in here, as you can see, no videos or photos that tag on this account. As you can see, when people tag you in photos and videos, they will appear here. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can see photos and videos that you are tagged in, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can see your photos and videos that you are tagged in on your Instagram account, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.